Guys, welcome back to my channel. We are at the bus stop right now because it's a new day, a very sunny day, and it's May. So you know what happens in May in Amsterdam. It is tulip season and also the best month of the year. It's just the first. It's the tulip season, and of course, it's a tradition that we will visit a tulip season. Every year, Deepak and I find different fields around. We don't go to the commercialized Kokonov gardens. But this time, because Deepak is in India, I am bad with geography and she is very new to this city. We've decided we'll rent a cycle from Kokonov. So we are still not going inside the Kokonov park because I still find it very commercial. But we booked a cycle for like 3 hours, and then they'll give us the map of where there are tulip fields. We can cycle around, stop and look at the fields, enjoy the view, and
I'm so very excited for the cycle part. Both of us are horrible cyclists.
We
and
don't
directionally
cycle,
challenged also.
and we don't even ride fast. Here there are all super fast riders. So follow along, see if we make it, see if we survive through the day, and we'll see you at Kokonov.
Hey guys!
Guys, we made it to Europa Plane, which is one of the stops where you can find the bus. But look at the queue. So you have easier buses from either Rai station or the airport, but because it's peak tourist time and also a great day, I think it's extremely crowded today. So we don't see any buses here, but there are regular buses I think every 5 minutes. So we're waiting for one to come.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
But you see there are no buses at all. Because of traffic, there are very limited buses. One bus just left and they said if you want to stand, you can go in that, but then it's a 40 minutes drive. So we decided not to go and wait for another 10-15 minutes because it's 40 minutes, you can't stand when the bus is swinging. So they said that it's also a lot of traffic, so we don't know when the bus will come.
Also, it's insanely hot.
Yep.
You want to preserve your energy to ride the cycle.
Yep.
Which we're experts at.
Yep. So we decided to stay back, wait for a seat.
See, the bus is
wait
right
for the
there.
bus. Hey, and the bus is here. Ooh, okay, see you inside the bus. Made it to the bus.
Guys, just wait for 10 minutes. You don't have to stand and look 40 minutes. We got it so wrong.
Tips and tricks for us. Follow us for more. Subscribe. Guys, we made it to Kokonov. Don't forget to tap out or from your bank card or your ticket card, otherwise it'll charge for the entire day. Now we've come to Kokonov. We have to find out where the bicycle rental is, and then we start our journey. But we'll not go there. We'll go the other place. So from the entrance of Kokonov, if you walk right opposite to it, you'll see there's a small orange board there that has a cycle mark. That's where you pick your cycles. So it's just like a 6-7 minutes walk, and go there. To come to this spot, show your QR code, and then you can pick any type of cycle you want. We picked this one, but just now we realize that the brake is in the pedals. I mean, you do have brakes here as well, but when you pedal back, it also brakes. But we've picked our cycle, and now we'll go out of here and try to explore fields. Oh. And then wait. We've made our first pit stop. I'm scared to use the GoPro while riding because there are a lot of police, and it is not legal to use your phone or gadgets while riding. So this is the first stop. We'll just cross this road and go there and show you the better view. No, you can't go there, no? He is, I think, fertilizing the flowers of the plants. He's also checking it. There you see the flowers on full bloom. That's where we are going. we made it to the first field. This is a very colorful field. Color of the flowers are red and white. It's not one full colorful patch. I don't know who this person is. Guys, change outfit. Woo! Because I can't ride in this skirt. I carried it in my bag and this shirt was inside my t-shirt. But you need to do all this for the aesthetics. There is that photographer who saw this trick of mine, so if she follows me on Instagram, she'll know that it's change of clothes. But we'll quickly click pictures here and then we'll go hunting another field. I can see my cycle. I'm scared if someone's gonna flick it, but I don't think they will. We don't know, we just randomly entered, I think, someone's private space. But it's just a nice cycling path, and I think they've harvested the flowers pretty soon this time, because it's just the first week of May and it's already removed. But yeah, before someone comes out and kicks us, we'll just leave this property. See you on the road.
There's no way in hell we could do that cycle.
We have come towards Liz, where you see all the fields are just empty because they've been plucked already, so it's a bad luck. We're just riding around and now we're tired because we just found one field. But overall it's great weather to have a cycle ride, and Isha is cycling after 16 years. I hope she doesn't fall, but enjoy the view. Guys, we took a pit stop right near Kukna because our bums are burning riding, and we have a slot of 3 hours, but we took the 1 hour route. So there are 3 routes that you can take. It's a 1 hour route, a 2 hour route and a 3 hour route. And where is my map? You'll hold this? No. So like I was saying, there are 3 routes. There are 3 routes. One is the 1 hour route, 2 hour route, 3 hours route. The bike you can rent it either for 3 hours or for an entire day. So it's just 2 options. And then you see you have this. So the 1 hour route is 5 kilometers, 2 hours route is 10 kilometers. This is 15, and then there's another option for 4 hours 25. And then you can follow this map, or everywhere you go you'll see these colors. So if you see blue and right, that means thanks uncle. That means it's the lane for your 1 hour route, and similarly you can follow the color patterns. And he just randomly stopped because he wants to talk to his friend. It's so funny when there's an entire traffic stopped for him. But like I was saying, we took the 1 hour route, we finished it in 1 hour. We had our cycles for 2 more hours, so I think we saw another field which was really colorful. She's just stuck looking at those drivers chit-chatting.
I can't believe it, dude. The entire line is written.
I spoke a lot. We'll most probably return the cycle now, and then we'll take a walking route to see if we can find some more great fields.
Please.
My gosh.
Please carry a bottle of water.
Oh yeah, in a sunny day like this, you will be dehydrated.
That was damn funny, dude.
That was so cool. Anyway, we'll see what the next plan is. We'll pick something to drink. We're very, very thirsty. And yeah, we were not lucky enough to find a lot of tulip fields because the season is, I think, early this time. So they've early harvesting, so they've harvested the flowers already. There were very, very few flowers, and we can see a lot of fields actually, but it's all empty. So we might just be considerate when you're planning your trip to these seasonal, what is it called? Just be mindful when you're planning this trip, because sometimes you see the flowers bloom late. This time they've harvested early, so it's always a very natural phenomenon. You cannot decide when this happens and when it's not. So do your own research, and then Kukunov is always there as an option because it has a lot of flowers, but it's very, very commercial, very, very crowded, so that's something I would never opt for. But if you are someone who wants to hunt flower fields like us, you can always choose the cycling option, or you can see a lot of other fields around. Just If you're good with geography, just follow your maps. I've spoken a lot. We'll get on our bikes again and make it back. Guys, we came to the petrol pump because to fill fuel to our not cycle but ourselves, because we wanted something to drink.
Oh, nice that was.
Nice joke, na. But now
Face.
we're almost done. We're tired because it's extremely hot today, something I never complain about in the Netherlands. But I think we are almost done with our cycling tour. We've tanned 8 times from what we came here. You can see you can play chess on my forehead. But we just fueled up a little and now we're going to return the cycle. And then we saw a great spot, but we don't know if we're allowed to go there, but maybe we'll walk and go. क्योंकि walk करते वक्त talk नहीं करते. Why this? Guys, we parked our bikes there. And now we're walking towards the spot that I told we saw, where a nice set of flowers are there, and these are all camper vans. I think you can also camp here. Guys, this is the patch that we were talking about, where there are some beautiful colors. There's pink, orange, red. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but to go there you have to cross this. So of course we will not go, but this is the beautiful patch, I mean field. Guys, we need to admit this, we are the biggest, stupidest people on planet Earth. That time we got the cycle till there. The field is right here, the colorful one. But what did we do? We dropped our cycles, we walked all the way back, and we've come to the same field. But it is beautiful. And there are just 2 people there. Now they'll get irritated that, oh, 2 more people have come to make content. But the colors are stunning. We'll show you in 1, 2, 3.
So just I talked to the owner, they said be very careful not to hurt actually.
Oh, okay.
And if you want to go back, the last bus leaves at 6.
Okay, thank you so much. Guys, when we came nobody was there, but then all of a sudden so many cars came up, and I think we're exhausted and done for the day. There were these 2 people who were here already. They told us that they took the permission from the owner because this is not a public land. So I think he was okay with us, but then all these random tourists have come just like us.
But they're also plucking these flowers.
Yeah, that is not right, because you're walking on someone's hard-earned fields. Back to where we were. Whenever you come to fields like this, make sure you do not pluck the flowers and be careful with the flowers. I think I mentioned this in my last year's vlog as well.
Yeah, the last year vlog we mentioned this like 15 to 17 times.
Yeah, so always be careful because it's not a public property and you're here to take pictures, and be careful with their produce. On that note, we just got to know that the last bus from Keukenhof is at 6 p.m. You do have other local buses, but those are very hourly basis, so if you miss one you have to wait for another hour. I think the last one from Keukenhof is at 6 p.m. Those 2 people who were there told us this. So right now it is 5:45. I think we have a 10 minutes walk and then we'll be done, and we are already tired. And if you like this video, you know what to do.
Like, share, subscribe, and come to Julie Feeds.
Yeah, I don't know what she told in the end, but like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. And these were the tourists who actually, there's so much of dool because of the car. But like, share, subscribe.